channel. In today's video I want to share with you how to make a very simple breakfast recipe, and today we are going to make drop scones using a very easy method way. And on my countertop I have 2 cups of self-raising flour, I have salt, I have sugar, I have 1 egg, and of course I have a cup of milk. I'm going to start with mixing my flour. I'm going to put a little pinch of salt, just a little at the center. I'm going to put 2 or 3 spoons of sugar. I've just put 3. And then I'm going to mix them together. Sorry guys, if you hear that my voice is not coming out well, I'm not feeling well, my throat is paining. And of course after that I'm going to put my egg. I'm going to beat my egg. And mix it. And also I'm going now to use my milk. And I'm going to beat my dough until it's soft, super soft. And I'm not going to make it so hard. Try all your best to make it as soft as you can, not that thin and not that thick, so that your drop scones can come out so well. So let's beat our dough, our flour until it's soft. I'm done with the mixing the dough. I hope as you can see it's not that thick and also it's not that thin. So let's go to the other side so that we can start cooking our drop scones. Sorry guys, when I was mixing the dough I forgot to put some oil, so I had to do it off the camera. As you can see guys, our pan is ready, so let's start cooking our drop scones. My pan is not that big, so I'm going to put just 3. But I'm going to reduce my heat because I feel like I've put a lot of heat so that they can cook slowly with a little heat. make sure that your drop scones have that golden brown color. As you can see, I'm done making our drop scones, and now my breakfast is ready. So this is how our drop scones have turned out. They are so soft and they are ready to eat. So kindly, if you like the video, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 100 subscribers. And also thank you so much for my subscribers and my new subscribers, and also the returnees for the support you guys that you are showing me. I don't take it for granted. So let's have our breakfast and also see you on the next video. Bye.